Are you one of those people that wants to be more creative, but they don't know how, and basically you stare at a piece of paper and you don't know what to draw or paint? Or maybe you're really stressed or anxious and you're looking for ways to relax? Then this is the channel for you. Hi, I'm Adrian, an award-winning artist with over 20 years of experience working in different media. I have exhibited nationally and my work is collected worldwide. I believe that art doesn't have to be complicated. Anybody can tap into their creativity with a little bit of help. That's why I'm guiding you through all these videos with very easy step-by-step instructions that anybody can follow. I'm also not using very complicated techniques, but I'm giving you tips along the way so that you can become more creative and a better artist along the process. Although that's not really the end goal. The end goal is for you to relax and unwind. So go ahead and hit the button below, subscribe, because I'm going to be posting videos twice a month or maybe more if I have a lot of people viewing my videos. So join the channel, subscribe so that you can have access to all of my videos. Share with anyone that you think could benefit from some mindfulness and some relaxation and some creativity. And I want to see you watching one of my videos. See you soon.